To reset a Peloton screen that won't turn on, start by stopping the power supply. Remove all the plugs and wait a few minutes. Then, reconnect the bike and press the volume up button and the power button simultaneously to turn on the screen in boot mode. Continue doing this until the screen starts up. A list of options will appear, and you can use the volume button to select the recovery option. The machine logo will display on the screen, which will then dim before notifying you that there is no command. Press the power button and volume button simultaneously one more time, and another list of options will show up. If it doesn't, try again. Use the volume button to navigate to the factory reset option, and select it using the power button. Confirm your decision by selecting Yes with the volume buttons. Then proceed by pressing the power button. Once the data has been wiped, use the volume button to select the Reboot System Now option. After completing these steps, you can reactivate the bike, create a new account, and sign in.